Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at the Productivity 1000 Series PLC, installing the software. Now the software that we need is called Productivity Suite, and it has all of the Productivity series covered, so it will program each of these controllers, and you can easily convert from one controller to the next as you upgrade your system. Now the Productivity Suite is free of charge. There's no restrictions or limitations at all with this software. And if we look up on the website here of AutomationDirect, you will see that as I scroll down, we'll have the top features. It's a tag-based system. It's auto discovery I/O, so once you plug in your I/O, it automatically will fill out everything for you. We have fill in the blank instructions. We have some data view where we're looking at data, I/O view, graph view, histograms. There's a lot of different things that we can do with this software. We have predefined structured data types, seamless corporate database connectivity, graphical HTML based help files. We also easily convert it, as I said before. So several features, including web server and mobile access as well with this software. So we go to the download link, and on the download link, here's what it looks like here. And the most current version of this is actually 3.1.0.11. And a good point of view is to actually get updated every time there's notification. So I would always sign up here. We'll open this in a new tab. And you just fill in your email address and subscribe to all of the updates for software that's available. So as new updates get done, you'll automatically get emailed that there is a new update for you. So keep your software up to date all the time. So once we've done that, we can download using this link. We will then get our software package right here, all ready to install. So if I go to the actual unit itself, or the install file, it comes as a zip file, and I'm installing this currently on a Windows 7 64-bit operating system. And you will see that if some of the things that we need for the software is Windows 7 or Windows 8 or 8.1, both 32 and 64-bit operating systems, or will run on Windows 10. We'll also need 1 gigahertz processor speed, so it's not very taxing at all on your system. We also need a USB and or an Ethernet in order to transfer projects to the controller. So call up our download file, and we don't need to unzip it or anything. We just install it straight from our zip file. We go into it, you'll see an install, and we'll just double click that. Okay. I just happened to click it on twice. So here we go. We're extracting the files right now. So again, software is totally free of charge, and it programs both our 1000, 2000, 3000 series of productivity. So we're finished unpacking, and now we get up to our license agreement, and we have to accept the license agreement before we move on to the next step. So just hit next. Right now, I've already got this installed, so what I'm going to do is just replace it, and you'll see it's the exact same as what we did before. You'll see that this is the default location, and this is the name of the file that's actually going to be placed in there. So we'll just hit next. Now, where would you like to create the product icons? And we'll do that on the desktop. Install. So now it's configuring the system. And now we're installing the actual software itself. Now the next thing we do is we get release notes on this software, so we can read through those release notes, seeing the bugs and fixes that they've done, and then we just hit next, and it's basically said that we are finished. Now once we press done, there'll be another icon or another window that pops up asking if you need the USB driver to install it. Currently right now it won't ask me that because I've already installed it, but you just answer yes to that so that the USB driver will be installed with your installation. So we'll just hit done, and that's the software installation now. So let's just close that down, and we'll close our window down here, and what you'll see is on my desktop we now have a productivity suite icon that we can now start software. So if we double click it, it'll start and open up a project for us. So this is where we can start a new project, open existing, or read from the PLC, and we'll save that for next time. So all the links and documentation that you see can be found on our website at accautomation.ca. Now if you liked the video and like to see more, there are 3 ways in which you can help us out. You can give us a thumbs up so other people can find this information just as you have. You can go to or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel at the end of the video. You can also go to accautomation.ca and subscribe to our website. Now when you do that, you'll get notification every time we publish new content to the site. You'll also get 2 free ebooks on numbering systems and robust data logging. And the third thing to do to help us out is to tell a friend or colleague about the site. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.